Welcome to the heart of industrial perfection, where nature meets technology in this massive facility dedicated to processing the world's finest sun-ripened peaches today. The journey begins as tons of freshly harvested peaches are delivered, pouring into the reception bays to start their transformation through our sophisticated production line. Each piece of fruit is carefully inspected at the entry point, ensuring only the most vibrant and healthy peaches proceed to the next stage of processing. The sheer scale of operation is breathtaking, as thousands of peaches move like a golden river through the initial stages of our high-capacity industrial system. Advanced laser sensors scan every fruit in milliseconds, capturing data on size, weight, and surface quality to ensure perfect uniformity for the final canned product. Precision engineering allows for lightning-fast sorting, where mechanical gates divert each peach into specific lanes, optimizing the workflow for the specialized cutting machines ahead. Quality control is paramount, and even at high speeds, the system maintains a gentle touch to prevent any bruising or damage to the delicate fruit skin. The first wash is a delicate plunge into purified water, removing field dust while cooling the fruit to maintain its structural integrity during the intensive processing. Constant agitation ensures that every surface is touched by the cleaning solution, preparing the peaches for the high-temperature peeling phase that lies just ahead. This aquatic transport system is both efficient and gentle, using the natural buoyancy of the fruit to move them toward the processing core without impact. Once cleaned, the fruit is elevated back into the mechanical world, transitioning from the water baths to the precision thermal treatment zone for skin removal. Every second, hundreds of decisions are made by the central AI, coordinating the movement of the harvest with a level of precision impossible for humans. Data monitoring allows operators to track the quality of the incoming crop, ensuring that the factory settings are always perfectly tuned to the specific batch. The alignment is critical for the automated peeling machines, where each peach must be positioned perfectly to undergo the thermal skin loosening process correctly. We now enter the heat zone, where the primary transformation begins, using controlled steam to separate the delicate skin from the precious fruit flesh inside. Inside the steam chamber, intense thermal energy rapidly expands the moisture under the skin, loosening the bond without cooking the delicious peach meat beneath. In just seconds, the heat does its work, making the skin brittle and ready for removal. A perfectly timed dance between temperature and natural peach biology. Emerging from the heat, the peaches are immediately met by a wall of high-pressure water jets, designed to strip away the loosened skin instantly. The power of water is harnessed here, using concentrated streams to peel the fruit with surgical precision, leaving the smooth surface of the peach untouched. Watch as the golden fruit is revealed, perfectly clean and vibrant, a testament to the efficiency of this contactless peeling technology used in our plant. This massive array of jets processes thousands of peaches per minute, maintaining a relentless pace while ensuring every single fruit is peeled to perfection. The transformation is stunning. What was once a fuzzy harvest is now a collection of smooth golden spheres ready for the delicate pitting and slicing phase. Nothing goes to waste in our facility, as the removed skins are collected and sent for secondary processing into nutrient-rich animal feed or organic compost. The freshly peeled fruit is remarkably delicate, requiring specialized soft-touch conveyor systems to move them into the alignment zones for the mechanical slicing blades. Human expertise works alongside automation as our quality control team performs visual checks to guarantee that every batch meets our rigorous standards of excellence. The engineering behind these machines is the result of decades of innovation, combining thermodynamics and fluid dynamics to achieve the highest possible yield. As each peach enters the cutting zone, it is centered by ultra-sensitive mechanical guides, ensuring that the fruit is sliced exactly through its center. Uniformity is the hallmark of our process, allowing for consistent packing and cook times, which ultimately leads to the perfect texture in every can. A final misting ensures that any remaining microscopic residue is removed, leaving the fruit in its purest state before it meets the automated cutting blades. The heartbeat of the factory is the sound of mechanical precision, a tireless rhythm that keeps the production moving 24 hours a day without fail. Our facility is designed for maximum hygiene and efficiency, providing a controlled environment where fresh fruit is transformed into a premium shelf. Every transition is engineered for safety, protecting the soft flesh of the peach as it moves closer to the most technical part of the process. Precision slicing begins now, as ultra-sharp blades divide the fruit, exposing the central pit while maintaining the structural integrity of the surrounding golden flesh. The speed and accuracy of the cutting system are vital, ensuring each half is a perfect mirror of the other for consistent canned portions. Automated pitting machines use specialized suction and mechanical grippers to cleanly extract the core, leaving a perfect hollow at the center of each peach. Thousands of pits are removed every minute, sorted instantly into a bypass system to be repurposed, ensuring the production line remains clear and efficient. The result is beautiful peach halves, perfectly hollowed and ready to be further sliced or canned whole depending on the specific product being made. Machine vision technology inspects every single half, using artificial intelligence to detect and remove any fruit that doesn't meet our strict quality and safety criteria. Any piece with a defect is instantly rejected by high-speed air jets or mechanical arms, maintaining a standard of absolute perfection for the final pack. For our sliced peach line, the halves pass through multi-blade cutters, creating uniform wedges that are perfectly sized for a satisfying bite and elegant presentation. The cut slices are immediately transported to the next stage, preserved in their peak state of freshness through the speed of our automated production line. This department is a masterpiece of mechanical synchronization, where dozens of machines work in tandem to process the massive volume of the harvest. Vibratory feeders gently organize the slices, ensuring they are evenly distributed and that any tiny undersized fragments are filtered out before the canning process. Skilled technicians monitor the flow, providing the human touch that ensures the machines are operating at their highest level of efficiency and quality. Hygiene is integrated into every movement, with self-cleaning systems constantly rinsing the blades to prevent any buildup and maintain the highest sanitary standards. The fruit is now ready for the heat treatment that will lock in its color and texture, moving through pneumatic systems toward the blanching chambers. The power required to maintain this level of production is immense, driven by robust industrial systems that are built to last through the peak season. The slicing is complete, and the fruit now transitions from mechanical shaping to thermal preservation, ensuring it stays crisp and delicious in the can. As the sun sets, the factory never sleeps, continuing its mission to preserve the summer harvest for consumers around the globe to enjoy all year. The blanching process begins here, a brief immersion in hot water that deactivates enzymes, preserving the bright color and preventing any unwanted softening of the fruit. Controlled temperatures are vital. We keep the water at an exact point to ensure the peaches are stabilized without losing their fresh, natural flavor profile. The steam acts as a protective blanket, maintaining the heat while creating an atmosphere of intense transformation within the heart of the processing line. Emerging from the bath, the slices have achieved a perfect semi-translucent glow, a sign that they are properly treated and ready for the sweet syrup bath. In the mixing bay, we prepare our signature syrup, a precise blend of pure sugar and filtered water stirred to perfection in giant stainless steel vats. The syrup is crystal clear and perfectly balanced, designed to complement the natural sweetness of the peaches while acting as a natural preservative in the can. Every batch of syrup is tested for its Brix level, ensuring consistent sweetness that meets the specific recipe requirements for our premium canned peach products. An intricate network of pipes delivers the syrup exactly where it's needed, a closed-loop system that maintains total sterility from the mixing vat to the can. The syrup is preheated to match the temperature of the blanched peaches, preventing thermal shock and ensuring a perfect seal during the upcoming canning process. A quick cooling mist stops the internal heat from overcooking the fruit, locking in that signature firm yet tender texture that our customers love so much. Removing excess water is crucial to ensure the syrup doesn't get diluted, maintaining the rich, concentrated flavor that defines a high-quality canned peach. The entire system is managed by central computers, allowing for real-time adjustments to flow rates and temperatures for maximum consistency and safety. These massive silos hold enough syrup to keep the lines running at full speed, ensuring that no peach is ever left waiting during the peak harvest season. We are now at the threshold of the final stage, where the fruit and syrup meet for the first time inside the protective shell of the tin can. The canning line is a marvel of high-speed automation, where thousands of empty tins race toward the filling station to be filled with golden treasure. Every can is sterilized before use, using advanced UV light and filtered air to ensure a perfectly clean environment for the peaches to be preserved in. High-precision filling heads drop the exact weight of fruit into each can, a rapid-fire process that ensures every customer gets a full, generous serving. Immediately after the fruit, the golden syrup is injected, filling every gap and ensuring the peaches are completely submerged for optimal preservation and taste. The lids are positioned in a fraction of a second, moving in perfect synchronization with the cans as they head toward the critical sealing station. The seaming process is a work of mechanical art, folding metal upon metal to create an airtight, vacuum-sealed barrier that will last for years. This is the most critical point for food safety, and our high-speed seamers are monitored constantly to ensure every single seal is absolutely flawless. A quick external wash keeps the cans clean and prevents any stickiness, preparing the metal surface for the intense heat of the final sterilization. Traceability is built in. Every can receives a unique digital footprint, allowing us to track the product back to the specific orchard and harvest date. The cans gather in massive numbers, a silver sea of completed units ready for the final, most important step in the preservation journey. Large industrial cages are filled to capacity, ready to be moved into the massive autoclaves where high-pressure steam will ensure total product safety. Inside the sterilization chamber, the pressure and temperature are carefully ramped up, following a precise thermal curve to kill any potential microorganisms. The heavy doors are sealed tight, creating a fortress of safety where the peaches undergo their final cooking and sterilization process simultaneously. After the heat, a controlled cooling phase is essential to stabilize the product and prevent the fruit from becoming too soft from residual heat. The peaches are now perfectly preserved, sealed within their protective shells, and ready to be labeled and shipped to eager customers worldwide. The final look comes together in the labeling department, where our iconic brand design is applied with lightning speed and surgical precision to every can. Vibrant colors and clear branding are the finishing touches, turning an industrial product into a familiar household favorite that represents quality and taste. The cans are automatically grouped into consumer-ready packs, moving seamlessly from individual units to wholesale bundles in a matter of seconds. Protective packaging is applied to ensure that the product reaches its destination in perfect condition, ready for display on the supermarket shelf. Heavy-duty robotics take over the heavy lifting, stacking the finished cases onto pallets with a level of accuracy and speed that no human could match. The final stage of preparation involves securing the entire pallet, creating a stable and safe load for long-distance transport across oceans and continents. In our massive logistics center, the final products are moved with efficiency, ready to be loaded onto trucks and ships bound for global markets. This vast inventory is a testament to the bounty of the harvest and the incredible power of modern food processing technology to feed the world. Every pallet is tracked and verified one last time, ensuring that the right products are heading to the right customers with 100% accuracy. The day concludes as the fruits of our labor begin their journey from our home to yours, carrying the taste of summer in every can. From the orchard to the can, we maintain the highest respect for the fruit and the technology that allows us to preserve it so perfectly. Thank you for joining us inside this modern marvel of food engineering. Experience the taste of perfection, preserved for you by our dedicated team.